Hello students, hope you all are fine. I am Ms. Nehali Topiwala, your EVS teacher. Today we are going to start with new chapter 8, that is a treat for mosquitoes. And dear students, I hope you all have heard the word mosquitoes, right? Mosquitoes are such insects which bite us and take our blood away, and they spread many diseases such as dengue, malaria, typhoid, etc. So in this chapter we are going to see about such type of disease only that is caused by mosquitoes, how mosquitoes are spreading such type of disease and how we have to be careful and take care of ourselves. This we are going to see in this chapter. So, chapter number 8, a treat for mosquitoes. Now, blood test. Everybody had heard this word blood test, right? Whenever we fall sick, we are having our blood test to find out, to diagnose our disease, that what kind of disease we are suffering from. Right now, in this COVID-19 period, also, you must have heard about this blood test. On doing blood test only, we come to know, from various tests only, we come to know that what kind of disease we are suffering from. So, blood test. There are some students, they are discussing among themselves about the in their school about something. So, what is that? This we will discuss in this chapter. Rajat is back at school today. He had been absent for many days. How are you now? Asked Aarti. I am all right, Rajat replied softly. So there was a boy named Rajat. He was back at school he was absent from many days because he was ill. So his friend Aarti is asking that how are you now? So he is saying that I am all right, but he spoke very softly. Dear students, you also fall sick and you don't attend the school for many days because you are sick. And after you come back, your teacher, your friends ask you that now how are you feeling? So in this way, same here thing happened. Jaskirat, you must have played a lot while you were at home. So she is saying that you must have played, na? Because you were absent for so many days. So you must have enjoyed. Rajat, who wants to play when you have fever? On top of it, I had to take a bitter medicine. I even had a blood test. तो रजत इज सेइंग दैट हु वांट्स टू प्ले. अगर आप बीमार होते हो तो कौन खेलता है इफ़ यू हैव फीवर, और ऊपर से यू हैव टू टेक बिटर, कड़वी दवाइयाँ खानी पड़ती है, और ऊपर से तो मुझे ब्लड टेस्ट भी करना पड़ा. जसकीरत, ब्लड टेस्ट? वाई? इट मस्ट हैव बीन वेरी पेनफुल. ब्लड टेस्ट क्यों किया और वाई? एंड वो बहुत दर्दनाक होगा. वेरी पेनफुल इट मस्ट बी. रजत, एक्चुअली व्हेन द नीडल pricked my finger, I felt like an ant bite. They took 2-3 drops of blood and sent it for testing. That's how we came to know that I had malaria. तो रजत इज सेइंग दैट एक्चुअली व्हेन दे प्रिक द नीडल, मतलब कि कभी कभी दे डू द ब्लड टेस्ट विद प्रिकिंग द नीडल इन अवर फिंगर. जस्ट ऐसे नीडल को वो डालते हैं एंड some of the blood come out and they take 2-3 drops on that glass palette and then they keep it for testing, and with that testing we come to know that what kind of disease we are suffering from. So this Rajat is also saying that when they took my blood, I came to know that I had an malaria. Nancy, but you get malaria when a mosquito bites you. Rajat, yes, but we find out by the blood test. So Nancy girl is saying that but you have malaria only when mosquitoes are biting you. At that time only you can have malaria. But Rajat told that yes, but I got it with I came to know by doing the blood test. Jaskirat, there are lots of mosquitoes in my house these days, but I did not get malaria. So Jaskirat is saying I am also having many mosquitoes at my house, but I didn't got malaria. Nancy, who says that every mosquito bites cause malaria? Malaria spreads only by the disease carrying mosquitoes. So Nancy is saying that ऐसा किसने बोला कि जो भी mosquitoes हमें bite करता है उससे हमें malaria ही होता है? Malaria can be spread only by the disease when such type of mosquitoes are carrying some type of disease with them, and when they come and sit on our body, at that time only we cause such type of disease. So Aarti, all mosquitoes look the same to me. There must be some difference, Rajat is saying. Aarti is saying that मुझे तो सारे mosquitoes एक जैसे दिखते हैं, बट रजत से कुछ तो डिफरेंस होगा सारे मस्कीटोज के बीच में. सी आई टोल्ड यू ना हाउ दे टेक द ब्लड टेस्ट. So taking the blood test on the glass slide for test, they prick the needle in our finger and they just take it on our they take it on the glass slide and they give for testing. Dr. Marmia looking at the blood side under the microscope, and after doctors take this glass slide and they keep it under microscope. This microscope make things look 1,000 times bigger, and this microscope makes things look 1,000 times bigger. तो इससे हमें बड़े चीज़ें दिखती है. द डिटेल इनसाइड द ब्लड कैन बी सीन क्लियरली. और जो भी ब्लड के अंदर चीज़ें होती है वो हमें एकदम क्लियरली दिखाई देती है. देयर आर सम माइक्रोस्कोप्स विच मेक थिंग्स लुक इवन मोर बिगर देन दिस वन. ऐसे भी बहुत सारे माइक्रोस्कोप्स है जहाँ पे इससे भी बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें हम देख सकते हैं. Nancy, did they take the blood from the place where the mosquito had bitten you? Nancy is saying that क्या उन्होंने ब्लड वहाँ से लिया जहाँ पे आपको मस्कीटो ने बाइट किया था. रजत, ऑफ कोर्स नाउ नॉट. हाउ डू आई नो when and where the mosquito bit me? तो रजत इज सेइंग ऑफ कोर्स नॉट. मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? हाउ आई विल नो दैट व्हेन एंड वेयर द मस्कीटो हैज़ बिटन मी. Nancy, but how could they find out that you had malaria by your blood test? Do you think they could see something in the blood? So Nancy is saying that how did they came to know that you are having malaria only by testing your blood? Did they see anything in the blood? So what Nancy told is that do you think they could see something in the blood? So as I told that, see this when they take our blood, they do the testing under this microscope, and from this microscope only we come to know about the various types of germs that are present in our blood. So that's why they do testing of our blood, and then they come to know, they diagnose our disease, and from that disease we come to know that from what disease we are suffering. Now find out, do you know anyone who had malaria? Have you ever heard that any one of you in your family had suffered from malaria or like? So yes, we have some or the other times suffered from it. May not be suffered also. It is not necessary that everyone had been suffered from this disease. How did they find out that they had malaria? So how did they came to know that they had malaria? So they went to doctor. If they are not well for many days, doctor has suggested them to do the blood test, and from that blood test only they came to know that they have been suffering from malaria. What problems did they have on having malaria? So what are the symptoms? How we come to know that we are having malaria? So in malaria we feel very cold. ठंडी लगती है, फीवर आता है और हमें कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता है. सो बहुत ठंडी लगती है, and this is the symptoms of having malaria. What other disease can be caused by mosquitoes bite? And which are the other diseases that are caused by mosquitoes bite? So there are many such diseases like dengue, chikungunya, dysentery. These are the diseases that are also caused by mosquitoes. In which season is malaria more common? Why do you think this happens? So when do we find this season for malaria? It is mainly common in rainy seasons, students. Why in rainy seasons? Because you can see that in rainy seasons water get collected at one place, and due to that collection of water, the insects are grown over there in that water. They make something there over, and from that pits of water, mosquitoes are being formed, and they spread various kinds of disease. What do you do in your house to protect yourself from mosquitoes? Also find from your friends about what they do. So many of us do various things to protect ourselves from mosquitoes. We put mosquitoes repellent, हम रिपेलेंट मीन्स वो हम उसको मस्कीटोज़ का मशीन लगाते हैं. Then we use Odomos cream to cover our body that mosquitoes don't sit on our body and bite us, or else we sleep in the mosquito net. We have rackets at home to kill the mosquitoes, or we spread some baygon that mosquitoes do not bite us. So all these things are there that we keep at our house to protect ourselves from mosquitoes. Now see, there is one report given over here. You must have also seen the report. When you do the blood test or you do any kind of test, doctor give you a report, medical report. Okay, so from that report you come to know that what is the symptoms in your what are the diseases that are caused in your body, and then the doctor diagnose it and give the treatment accordingly. So look at the report of the blood test given here. Which word in the report help us to know that the person has malaria? कैसे पता चलता है कि ये पर्सन को मलेरिया है इसके अंदर? तो देखो यहाँ पे लिखा है नेम रजत, एज 11, सेक्स मेल, रोग की पहचान मीन्स डायग्नोसिस. कैसे रोग की पहचान हुई? तो ही इज़ हैविंग फीवर विथ चिल्स एंड रिगर्स, मतलब कि कपकपी के साथ उसको बुखार आ रहा है और ठंड लग रही है. एंड दिस इज़ द सिम्टम्स मलेरिया पैरासाइट्स फाउंड इन ब्लड सैंपल्स. इससे हमको पता चलता है दैट ही इज़ हैविंग ही इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम मलेरिया. नाउ देयर इज समथिंग इन दिस box, orange box given that medicine for malaria. Now we are having various types of medicines, various types of injection to cure malaria. But at early times what they used to do, so they used to dried and powdered bark of cinchona tree was used to make a medicine for malaria. There was a tree named cinchona. उसको वो सुखाते थे, उसका पाउडर बनाते and then they used to give that medicines for to cure malaria. And how they used to give it? So earlier people used to boil the bark powder and strain the water which was given to patient. वो पाउडर को they used to boil it और फिर उसको छान के वो पानी पेशेंट्स को देते थे. And now we have tablets made from this, and same now we are having tablets made of this cinchona tree powder. So in this way malaria was been cured at early times. Okay, so now we will move on to our next part, that is anemia, next disease. So I hope you have understood about the blood test and how malaria is been spread in our body. Now we will move to next part, that is anemia. Anemia. So what is anemia? What's that? So anemia is also one kind of disease that has been caused in our body, but it is not caused through mosquito bite. It is somewhat that is lack of something in our blood, that is lack of hemoglobin, lack of iron, we cause this type of disease. So Aarti, you know, I also had a blood test done, but they took a syringe full of blood. The blood test showed that I had anemia. तो आरती इज सेइंग दैट आई हैड ऑल्सो डन अ ब्लड टेस्ट, बट उन्होंने क्या किया था? दे टुक अ फुल syringe ऑफ ब्लड. समटाइम्स यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट समटाइम्स डॉक्टर टेक फुल syringe, वो पूरा सुई डाल के दे यूज टू टेक द ब्लड फ्रॉम अवर बॉडी, फुल syringe भर के ब्लड लेते हैं. तो द ब्लड टेस्ट शोड दैट आई हैड अनीमिया. रजत, व्हाट इज दैट? आरती, the doctor said that there is less hemoglobin or iron in the blood. The doctor gave some medicines to me, strength. He also said that I should eat jaggery, amla and more green leafy vegetables because these have irons. So Aarti is saying, Rajat is asking that what is anemia? So Aarti defines him that doctor said that there is लेस हेमोग्लोबिन और आयन इन माई बॉडी, मीन्स के कम आयन और कम हेमोग्लोबिन है. एंड डॉक्टर ऑल्सो गिव मेडिसिन, उसको ताकत लाने के लिए ही गिव मेडिसिन, बट ऑन टॉप ऑफ मेडिसिन ही ऑल्सो टोल्ड दैट ही शुड ईट जैगरी मीन्स गुड़, आंवला खाना चाहिए, ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स खाना चाहिए, बिकॉज ऑल दिस थिंग्स कंटेन्स आयन. So your mummy also tells you sometimes that eat green vegetables. Why? Because this is the reason. If your body is having lack of hemoglobin and iron in your body, you will become very weak. So Nancy, how can there be iron in our blood? सो नैन्सी इज टेलिंग दैट आयन कैसे हो सकता है हमारे ब्लड में. जसकीरत, देर वॉज समथिंग अबाउट दिस इन द न्यूज़ पेपर येस्टरडे. रजत laughing, so that you ate iron or what? तो Jaskirat is telling that there was something related this article in the newspaper and Rajat is saying तो क्या आपने आयन खाया था, तूने आयन खाया था कल. Aarti, silly, this is not that iron used to make this keys. I don't know exactly what it was. After I ate a lot of vegetables and whatever the doctor had said, my hemoglobin went up. So Aarti selling, what silly thing you are telling? क्या बोल रहे हो? ये वो आयन नहीं है जो जिससे हम चाबी या बर्तन या कुछ बनाते हैं, लोखंड की चीज़ें, ये वो नहीं है. इट इज़ दैट व्हाट वी हैव इन अवर बॉडी. हमारे बॉडी में जो कैल्शियम्स होते हैं, प्रोटीन्स होते हैं, उसी तरह ये आयन नाम की चीज़ होती है जिससे हमारे बॉडी का हेमोग्लोबिन अप जाता है. एंड ड्यू टू दैट व्हाट हैपन्स, वी आवर बॉडी इज़ मेंटेन प्रॉपरली. तो डॉक्टर ने मुझे लीफी वेजिटेबल्स खाने बोला, दवाई दी, ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने करने के बाद व्हाट हैपेंड, माय हेमोग्लोबिन वेंट अप. मेरा जो ब्लड था वो ब्लड लेवल अप हो गया. Now there is something related to this anemia, that is an incident that happened in Delhi school. So anemia common in Delhi school. 17th November 2007, thousands of children studying in Municipal Corporation School in Delhi suffer from anemia. So this is a story from 2007, 17th November. There were students studying in Municipal Corporation School in Delhi, and many of the students were suffering from anemia. This is affecting both their physical as well as mental health. As I told you that if there is lack of anemia in your body, you will feel physically also and mentally also weak. आप कमज़ोर ही रहोगे, आपके अंदर ताकत ही नहीं होगी. Due to anemia, children do not grow well and their energy level are low. This also affects their ability to study properly. And if your energy level is low, आप कुछ भी काम नहीं कर सकोगे, ना ठीक से खेल सकोगे, ना पढ़ सकोगे, ना किसी से बात कर सकोगे, कुछ भी नहीं. आपके बॉडी में आपको वीकनेस ही दिखेगी और आप हमेशा बीमार ही रहोगे. Now health checkups are being done in the school and health cards are being made for all the children. Now अभी क्या होता है, you must have also seen in our school also, we are also having a health checkup every year, right? Doctors come into our school, they check our body, they check our weight and everything, and if they find something fishy in your body or in your weight, they tell you to have a medical checkup to the other doctors, right? Or they give some medicine or they suggest to eat more vegetables, more fruits, like things जिससे आपके वज़न बढ़ सके. तो in the same way in this school also doctors have visited, and now every school is having this health card and every school is been doing on a regular base checkup. Anemic child are also being given iron tablets, and they are given some iron tablets to make their iron level up. Now see, over here two reports are being shown to you. First, it is the same report of Aarti who was suffering from anemia. But पहले का रिपोर्ट और उसके बाद का रिपोर्ट, पहले जब वो सफ़र कर रही थी तब का रिपोर्ट है, और फिर उसने ट्रीटमेंट लेने के बाद उसके रिपोर्ट में क्या डिफरेंसेस आया, दैट इज गिवन. सो वी विल सी बोथ द रिपोर्ट्स ओवर हियर. सी, आरती इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम अनेमिया. पहले उसका हेमोग्लोबिन लेवल कितना था, 8, जो कि हमारे बॉडी में नॉर्मल रेंज का हेमोग्लोबिन कितना होना चाहिए, 12 to 16 ग्राम जितना होना चाहिए. बट उसके बॉडी में 8 था. इट मीन्स दैट इट इज़ लेस, 12 से कम है, बराबर. सो इट इज़ वेरी लेस एंड शी नीड टू टेक प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट फॉर इट. और सेकेंड रिपोर्ट में यू कैन सी दैट शी हैज़ डन दिस रिपोर्ट. पहला रिपोर्ट उसने 26/2007 में किया था, मतलब कि जून मंथ में किया था. एंड सेकेंड रिपोर्ट शी हैड डन ऑन 15/9/2007, दैट इज़ इन September month. So after how many months she had done? After almost 3 months she has done this report. तो दैट इज़ आफ्टर 3 months उसका हेमोग्लोबिन लेवल कितना बढ़ गया, 10.5, जो कि वो अभी भी हमारे नॉर्मल रेंज से कम है, बट उसके पहले के रिपोर्ट से तो ज़्यादा है. ओके, सो लुक एट द आरतीज रिपोर्ट. Look at Aarti's blood report and find out the minimum required hemoglobin. See, Aarti ka blood report, if we will see, so what kind of hemoglobin we should have in our body? Our normal range of hemoglobin is 12 to 16 gram. But Aarti is having only 8 gram. So how much did Aarti's hemoglobin grow up and how long did it take for that? तो देखो उसका हेमोग्लोबिन 8 से कितना हुआ 10.5 बट बिटवीन हाउ मेनी मंथ्स शी हैड डन दिस so first she has done in June month and next report she did in September month. So between 3 months of time she had increased her hemoglobin up to 2.5 gram. What does the newspaper report says about the problem caused by anemia? Newspaper reports always says that you should eat healthy food, you should eat green vegetables, ये सारी चीज़ें खाओ and make your hemoglobin and iron more. How you or anyone in your family ever needed to get a blood test? Why and why? क्या आपके फैमिली मेम्बर में किसी को कभी ब्लड टेस्ट करने की ज़रूरत पड़ी? Why and when? तो कब? When they fall sick or when they are very sick and the doctor also can't diagnose their disease, at that time they need to do blood test and find out what kind of disease they are suffering from. What was found out by the blood test? क्या मिला ब्लड टेस्ट करने के बाद? क्या चेक होता है? तो many such disease comes out by doing the blood test. That is, what kind of disease you are suffering from or what kind of level you are having, means आपका ब्लड लेवल कितना है, हेमोग्लोबिन लेवल कितना है, आयरन कितना है, वाइट ब्लड सेल्स कितने हैं, रेड ब्लड सेल्स कितने, ऑल दिस थिंग्स कम्स आउट बाय टेस्टिंग द ब्लड. Have you ever had a health checkup in your school? What did the doctor tell you? So क्या आपने कभी health checkup किया है school में? Yes, we are having health checkup in our school. And what did doctor tell us about you? If your level is low, then doctor suggests you to eat the healthy food, or he tells you to consult some nice doctor, or he gives some iron tablets to you. Okay. Now find out. Ask a doctor or elder about the food items which contain iron. कौन सी ऐसी फूड आइटम है जिसमें आयरन होता है? तो you can ask it to doctor also as well as your elders also. So they will reply that you should eat green vegetables, जैगरी खाना चाहिए, आंवला खाना चाहिए, सारे वेजिटेबल्स पल्सेस खाने चाहिए. All these things contains a lot of iron in it. And green vegetables is very good for health to increase your hemoglobin and iron in your body. So I hope you have understood this topic, anemia. So in this part we have in part 1 we have studied 2 types of disease, that is malaria and anemia. Alright. Malaria is caused due to mosquito bite and anemia is caused due to lack of hemoglobin or iron in our body. So I hope you have understood till here, students. So we will meet in our next part. We will learn part 2. We will learn about some baby mosquitoes and we will learn about some how this malaria is been डायग्नोज, कैसे पता चलता है मस्कीटोज कैसे हमें क्या स्प्रेड करते हैं. देयर इज़ अ साइंटिफिक स्टोरी अबाउट इट. सो वी विल लर्न इन इट, वी विल लर्न इट in our next part. Okay, bye students, thank you.